guys, it's Janet. Welcome back to my channel. So what I want to share with you today is an unboxing, and I have been waiting all week to film this video because last weekend Sean and I were in New York City and we had so much fun, but I ended up catching a cold or something there. I don't know what happened. I'll start off with the Gucci brand. So I have loved Gucci since I was probably 16 years old, which is a long time. And I'm going to show you this watch that I brought back to life. So I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but it's vintage. It's vintage. It's considered vintage now. I had my first Gucci purse probably when I was 16, and then I think I got this watch when I was like 18. I actually have two other Gucci watches, but they're still in my like jewelry box. I had the battery replaced on this watch and I totally love it because this like is really popular right now. I do have a couple of older Gucci bags that I purchased about 8-10 years ago or so, and I just used to always love Gucci so much, and then I felt like I got tired of it and I went like a little Louis Vuitton crazy. So I would say Louis Vuitton and Gucci are like my favorite brands when I buy like designer stuff. Recently my husband got me the Gucci sneakers. I also have the Gucci interlocking belt. I'll link that video below for you guys. And then there's a pair of shoes that I have on my Christmas list. I'll insert a picture for you guys. They're so cute and I really want them, but I just don't want to spend $750 on them. Anyway, let's get to the unboxing. While you're here, hello. Here's the bag, and I bought this in New York City at the Gucci store, and I asked them to wrap it like it was a present. I have been wanting a new bag for quite some time, but honestly, it was just kind of like, oh, I'd rather buy flights somewhere or do something else with the money. So, but I broke down and got this finally. So here's the box, and it's wrapped super pretty. I sometimes like to put the boxes on display here in my office. So here's the box, and then here's the bag that it comes in. And I literally asked the salesman like for a brand new one that had never been touched, like no little paws had touched it yet. And I'm so excited. Here it is. I love it so much. So I've been wanting a black, nice bag. I love crossbody because my husband and I do a lot of traveling, and I have like little Louis Vuitton ones that are brown, but I don't have anything in black. And I also like backpacks, but the backpack was way more expensive. It comes separate like this. So here it is. I just totally love it. It's black and gold, and then the back of it has the little GGs as well. And I think the size is pretty good. It definitely will hold more than my Louis Vuitton bag that I have. And it comes with like all the little paperwork. So yeah, this is it. I will link the purse for you below just in case you want to pick one up for yourself. I also was going to share a couple of other things that I bought in New York City. I bought this t-shirt in Chinatown. So if you've ever been to New York, it's so crazy. Like, I went to Chinatown. I have been there before several times, and you kind of just get bombarded with like women even men actually asking you like Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Chanel, you know, like all these little questions. And the first thing that I bought was this bracelet, which it's not real either. But it's this, okay, the camera's focused now, but it's this like fake, well, they say it's a replica Hermes bracelet, and I bought it for $30, but I think they retail for like $600, which I personally wouldn't buy one. But I don't know, we'll never say never, I don't know, but it's not like on my list or anything. I just thought it was cute. And then I also got, and this is probably the thing that I kind of regret buying, was this like fanny pack thingy. Also a replica. So this t-shirt was a replica, this was a replica, and this is a replica. My other bag, this one is real. But I thought this would, I don't know, like in my mind it was cute, but then when I try it on, I don't really like it. So I might give it to like my nephew or something, I don't know. But it was like $30 or $40, I don't remember how much I paid for it, but It's kind of just like, you know, those, this is like kind of like the style right now, but I knew that I wouldn't want to buy the real version because I think the real one was like $1,100 or something, and I wouldn't use it enough. So like this purse I will like use all the time, and it's worth like the money to me. But this like kind of fad isn't, so that's why I got it. Also the t-shirt, I think I paid like $20 or $25 for it. So regularly I think they're like $500. The last thing that I wanted to share with you from New York, I didn't go totally crazy, which I'm proud of myself. Well, I guess the purse is kind of going crazy. I bought my favorite candle, and I have to tell you guys about it because I love it so much. It's called Lavender Leaves, and it's from Henry Bendel, and literally I die. This candle smells so good. It's my favorite candle, absolutely my favorite. They're more expensive than, well, they're the same price as like the Bath and Body Works candles, but you know, Bath and Body Works always has those crazy sales, so you never have to pay full price. And these like rarely ever have a sale, so this candle is $25. So I don't buy them too often. Definitely whenever I go to a Bendel, like a Henry Bendel store, I'll pick one or two up because they're my favorite. That's all I have to share with you. I just wanted to do a quick what I bought in New York video for you guys. I hope you're having a fabulous week, and I'll talk to you in the next video.